After the incessant rainfall that inundated various areas in Manipur on May 28, the state again experiences heavy rainfall, creating panic among people of yet another flood. Due to the incessant rainfall, the water level in many rivers has continued to rise from yesterday's midnight, while many areas have been flooded. Imphal River, Nambol River and Iril River have reached the warning level and about to touch the flood level. North AOC Road, Kangla Nongpok Torban and Thangal Market has been flooded with water as Imphal River overflows, while Arambai Tengol and localities gathered and started taking precautionary measures due to the hazardous situation along the breaches of Sinjamai River banks since the Imphal River has reached the warning level. People are facing inconveniences and looming threat of inundation in various areas. Notably, India Meteorological Department in its special weather bulletin has forecast heavy to very heavy rainfall over Manipur for the next 5 days.